current scenario. Is that clear? So any idea about the industry 4.0 from your side? What basically industry 4.0 is?
Sir, Industry 4.0 would be fully automated, making use of cobots and robots, and much of the working could go wireless.
Definitely. Definitely. Anuragji, can you add something in industry 4.0?
Sir, it is basically an advancement of IoT.
Anuragji, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
You are
Sir,
from
you getting me?
industrial city. Okay, Kanpur. I think you are from Kanpur, na sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, are you getting me now?
So for you, basically, it is very much essential to know the concept of industry 4.0. Okay, so
Yes,
can
sir.
you add
Yes, sir.
something in
Yes, sir.
industry 4.0 or about the industrial process basically?
Sir, industrial process basically will be more efficient when we add the input of technology to it, and as in more advanced technology is inbuilt with the industrial segment or the activities, then the productivity and efficiency will be far improved, and the scenario will be very much comfortable for users also and for the workers also. Will be a beneficial situation for all of us. That's the scope and the future. Will be doing more ease of doing business, and the things will be much far better and planned and organized way.
Yes, definitely. Excellently you have described. Somehow you touched the topic, Anuragji. And basically from last 1 month we have seen a lot of about the IoT, and as previously also I have discussed, IoT is not a technology name. IoT is basically an ecosystem, and inside the ecosystem enormous things can be made. Okay, and industry is 1.0, in industry 4.0, one of them. Okay, now we have entered inside the ecosystem basically. Okay, it is industry 4.0 is not a IoT. It is not a IoT. It is a one part of IoT. It is a subset of IoT, you can say. Basically, in case of IoT, it is categorized into the two parts. First one is the consumer ID, another an IoT, and another one is IIoT basically, or industrial IoT. And industry 4.0 basically you can say it is a part of IIoT. It is a part of IIoT. Is that clear? And the punchline or the topic headline is basically moving ahead to the future of the industry. And we can see here your each and everything people oriented thing, business things. Okay, as Neha already told, things means smart things, cobot, robotic arms, or whatever it may be, and even your human brain, okay, or artificial brain. Okay, if I say artificial brain or artificial intelligence, both are same, sir. Okay, don't be confused with that. So sometimes I will use during this topic, sometimes I will use the artificial intelligence word, sometimes I will use the artificial brain. Okay, so both are same, so all will be oriented towards the industry 4.0. Am I making sense? Are you getting the things or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no problem at all.
Thank you, sir. And some people's newly joined today for my topic. Okay, some especially JTO phase 1 or phase 2 trainees from ALTTC. So anyone can anyone here, anyone in the chat room basically is there? 1 minute, let me search out. Pankaj ji, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I think today only you have joined my topic, na?
Yes, sir.
You are taking the training in ALTTC at present, I think.
Yes, sir.
Hana? So your friends are also there inside that. So my request is please be interactive during this topic.
Please.
Okay, from there.
I motivating.
Okay,
Okay,
please
sir.
be interactive, and please, whenever you have some doubt, okay, please free to ask me. Okay, please free to ask me at any moment, and please be interactive. Okay, please be interactive. And It is not for only one day. It will take the time for another 3-4 days also it will take, and from Monday onwards I will take the new topic, that is the Python, for 3 weeks. So stay connected with me. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And please add your friends also in this chat, okay, in this Zoom meeting, so that everyone will be benefited. So these things we have already made clear regarding the ALTTC. Previously also I have taken, we are the center of excellence in cyber security, Internet of Things, and the next generation broadband, that is the wireless broadband. This is our vision and mission. We want to deliver the excellence through the training. And little bit about your speaker. As you know, I am a learner. I am not your AGM. I am not your trainer. There is no such type of thing is there. Okay, some trainer is there and you all are the training. We all are the learner. Okay, and we will try to explore the things. It may be possible that you know better than me at some moment. So that's why I am repeatedly saying, please be interactive. Please be interactive, and don't shy to ask any question whenever you feel that something is going wrong or something is going out of scope. So please be free to interrupt me. And I believe in whole life is for learning. These things I will take inside that one. What about the industry? What evolution in the web, cyber world, IoT, IIoT, key drivers in industry 4.0. Okay, SDN in industry 4.0, security issues in industry 4.0. Impact of COVID-19 on industry 4.0. How technology is helping in disaster management. Concluding summary and thoughts. And further I will always conclude with technology demands what next. So this thing I have already covered inside the IoT also, that who joined today basically. So I am little bit taking about this one. We are moving from Internet of People to Internet of Things. What basically, Neha, can you elaborate about little bit about this one? What basically IOP, or what about the IoT is?
Yes, sir. So basically in today's world, only the people are connected to each other throughout the world using the internet. But
Yes.
what we are planning, that in the near future, things will also be included on the same platform in which people are already connected. So that will all in all make an internet of things in which people will be able to communicate to things. Things will be communicating to people, means everybody and everything would be communicated to everyone and everything.
Yes, definitely. Excellent. Basically, in case of Internet of Google, we want to connect the entire world, and in case of Internet of Things, we want to connect the basically entire universe. Okay, and example I have taken, things means everything and anything. It can be your T-shirt also, or it can be your energized device also, smart devices also. It can be non-energized also. Each and everything will be connected inside that one. And one question arises, which internet? The main answer is, sir, main answer is same internet. Sir, another one was also I am adding one term, is also I am adding here, industrial internet. Have you heard the word industrial internet, Anurag sir?
No, sir. नहीं,
Industrial internet,
no, sir.
किसी
Not
ने
heard
सुना
it.
इंडस्ट्रियल इंटरनेट? कोई anybody wants to add something about the industrial internet? Uttam ji, are you hearing me? Anybody wants to explore about this? What basically industrial internet is? Okay, industrial internet is also a same internet. Okay, industrial internet is also the same internet. Okay, and that means we are adding the manufacturing process or industrial process with your existing internet, with the existing internet, and it is already there in case of industry 3.0 or 2.0 onwards. But in case of industry 4.0, it will be in a newer version. And what are the things will be there in case of industrial internet, we will see in more detail in this topic. And in the first GE basically coined the first time this term about the industrial internet. Okay, so some people say industry 4.0 is nothing but industrial internet. No, it is not like that. It is an advanced version of this one. Okay, it is basically, as I have earlier told also, if somebody asks you ke, say you are living in the IT era, no, it is wrong, completely wrong. IT already exhausting. You are going to enter, or you already entered in the CPS era. That is the cyber physical system era. And cyber physical system era means you are entering inside the industry 4.0. Have you this one is clear to all of you, or you have any doubt inside that? And this also I have already taken few slides. I have taken the common because it is very much essential those who are the new one in industry 4.0 to know the essential about that one. What separates humans from other living things? Anurag ji, can you explore this one?
Sir, it is the need to achieve more and more, which is the basically never exhausting our innovative ideas,
Hmm.
and which is this is the main concern which separates far away from other human beings, because our scope of thought is never ending, and we are continuously striving for progress in each and every field.
Hmm. Kundan ji, are you
And,
hearing me? Okay,
Sir,
what
humans are
separates?
curious one.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
Hanji.
Sir, humans are curious one. The curiosity
Ma'am, your
differs.
name?
Meenakshi, sir.
Okay, ha, Meenakshi ji, please tell, please.
Sir, actually, the word curiosity
Ha.
separates humans from other living things.
Yes, definitely. We humans are the curious one, and we want to solve every puzzle of life, whether it is in our hand or not. And our aim behind that is we want to solve every puzzle of life. Okay, we want to make our life better, and better always. Okay, and who supports for this one? Technology supports in each and every step for this one. Okay, so technology is always demands what next, and we humans want to make our life better, and better. That is the thing about the renovation. Okay, that is the thing about the innovations in the life. So these things are there because it is very much essential to know about, because things and humans are on the same platform. Things and humans are on the same platform. That is the same internet they are enjoying or sharing. So it is very much essential to know what basically difference between the humans and other things. So that's why I have taken this one. So this I have already taken. What is about cyber world? Meenakshi ji, please tell me what about the cyber world. I have already taken in the last IoT discussions. What do you mean about the cyber world?
Sir, sorry, sir. Actually, I have missed some lectures
Oh,
because of
it is
some
very
problem
bad.
at
It is
home.
very bad, Meenakshi ji. It is very bad. I have complained regarding this one.
Sir,
Please
extremely sorry, sir.
okay, don't take otherwise. Okay, it is my request to all of you. Okay, it is request to my all of you. I have to take some fees for this one, and fees is your sincerity and interaction only. This is my fees because
Yes.
what I feel entire BSNL is like my family members. Okay, and it is my dream basically. Each and every member of this family should be updated. Okay, upgraded to the new technology. That I have seen one dream basically, so that's why don't take it otherwise. Okay, I'm just joking about that. So I'm
No
telling
problem,
about,
sir.
okay, I'm telling about this one, what basically a cyber world is. So please listen carefully, everyone. Two world is there: physical world and cyber world. Some superpower, god, or some other superpower made physical world in which we are living, humans are living. Humans made this virtual world, that is the cyber world, completely virtual. And with the help of web, we are accessing this cyber world with the help of triple W, that is the world wide web. Is that clear? Web is nothing but just like a spider web. Okay, if you observe the microscopic view of this cyber is spider web, you will find in a very small area so many various nodes will be there, so many branches will be there. So in the real world also, in the cyber world, inside the web, so many nodes are there. If somebody asks you, you are enjoying the Google Mail, if somebody asks you okay, where Google server is reside, so nobody will be able to give the exact answer ki where Google server will be there, or where the next server will be there, okay, or where you will find the next node. Is that clear? So it is a completely virtual world, and one logic is also there. One logic is also there. Okay, in case of web, a network of fine. In case of a spider web, a network of fine threads constructed by a spider from fluid segregated by spinets used to catch its prey. यानी कि वो शिकार फंसाने के लिए यूज करता है उन through this node. And one concept is also arises के whether we are using the social media like Facebook or WhatsApp, or Facebook or WhatsApp are using the humans. So it is a matter of discussion or introspection basically. So that comes under the web. Is that clear? And the web is nothing but a collection of HTML pages. We will not go so much in detail about that. Up to this, any doubt? Is that clear?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear? Meenakshi ji, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So these are the technology mega trends. Okay, from 1980, it started from the 1980. I don't know whether some of you know about that or not. In case of early 1980, IT युग बोला जाता था. It is the revolution of this introduction of PC basically. Introduction of PC के even major misconception was also there, misunderstanding was also there in the society कि कंप्यूटर आ गया है, humans बेकार हो जाएंगे. किसी को पता है कोई, are you aware about that this type of concept was raised in 1980 के introduction of PC is there, we humans will be become a jobless or the useless. Am I making sense? This one, have you heard about that in 1980?
Yes, sir.
अगर आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा बुक में या किसी ने देखा होगा, कुछ लोग तो शायद बॉन्ड भी नहीं हुए होंगे 1980 के जो डिस्कशन में है, लेकिन दिस थिंग वाज देयर कि
When
पीसी.
Sam Pitroda was introducing computerization in India,
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही आज प्रॉपर.
when Sam Pitroda was introducing computers to India,
हाँ sir, this thing was there, and at present also some people say that AI is there and sooner than later humans will be jobless or useless. So every time when technology gets the power, so this question arises okay, what about the human? But since the beginning I am telling about that ke human and the system both are parallel. Okay, technology both are parallel. We want to basically search out the every solution with the help of technologies, and technologies always demand what next. Okay, if you learn about the IoT, if you learn about the know about the industry 4.0, it is enough. But technology always demand, Anurag ji, what next? Always it demands what next. Okay, aage kya? What about the industry 5.0 or something else? Okay,
yes,
so these things
yes,
will be there. And in 1990, internet introduces. And in case of 2000, your social media taken the shape that I have already covered in the IoT portion basically, but some people are new, so that's why I have taken this one. And from 2010 onwards, various platforms comes into the existence, especially in case of artificial intelligence. Can anybody from you tell me that artificial intelligence introduced in 2010 or 2000? Neha, are you there? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell that artificial intelligence entered in 2010 or earlier 2000?
Sir, as far as I remember from our earlier discussions, that artificial intelligence was before 2010 also, but then at that time we were not being able to make its use in the cyber world.
Okay. Exactly, basically you have defined excellently, but exact answer is artificial intelligence first comes into the existence in 1956. Okay, I will take this detail and complete history of IoT whenever I will take the artificial intelligence topic in the mid of June basically. So I will take the complete detail about this, but for the time being you just remember, okay, artificial intelligence is not a new concept. It introduces in 1956, and I exactly don't know the exact person name. Basically, I think John McCarthy introduced the artificial intelligence concept in 1956 with the name of Can Machine Think? Okay, Can Machine Think? So it was the born of this artificial intelligence. All of you got this point or not?
Yes, sir.
But what about
Yes.
2010? Why it is taken shape in 2010?
So because in 2010 we were able to build platforms over which we can introduce this artificial intelligence in machines.
Basically the thing is like that. Okay, basically thing is like that. In 2010 or earlier 2010, basically we got the power of data. Basically, okay, if you minus the data inside the artificial intelligence, it will be a dummy, just like a dummy. It will not be any use. And further, why I am focusing in year 2010, due to the deep learning basically discovered in 2006, and 2010 is taken the complete shape. Okay, I will take this machine learning and deep learning in whenever I will take the artificial intelligence portion. So in case of artificial intelligence, two things are there, that is the machine learning and deep learning. Deep learning is, for the time being, you just consider it is a substitute of human brain. Okay, it is a neural network. Inside the brains we have the neurons. Okay, if we have the neurons, and it is a substitute of human brain. We are with the help of this deep learning, we are trying to build up the artificial brain. So that's why in 2010 I am focusing about the 2010. So 2010, the big year for artificial intelligence, due to the neural network completely taken the shape. So these things are there. And after that, your internet of things. We have seen in the internet of things discussion ke when this IoT taken the shape in nearly 2010, 9 and 10. Okay, and who coined the first term of IoT? Who first coined the term IoT? Neha, can you tell me?
So name was
Kelvin
something like
Austin. Kelvin Austin first.
Ashton.
Okay, it is a GK question. It is a GK question. A lot of times, whenever you are going to appear in the IoT or AI exam, a lot of time this question asks who first coined the term of artificial intelligence. 99% I am sure it is a John McCarthy. And in case of Internet of Things, it is a this one, Kelvin Austin. Okay, so nearly in 2009 and 10, IoT invented or taken the shape. And finally the robotics, or betterly say cobotics. Okay, forget about the robotics, only cobotics are there. What is the difference between robotics and cobotics? Can anybody tell?
The robots can work independently, whereas cobots are designed to work with humans. Humans
Basically sir, thing is like that.
working environment with humans. They are sharing
Basically,
collaborating.
Dushyant ji, you are saying cobots works with the human, basically in a collaborated manner. Suppose you and Anurag ji are friend, basically. So what basically you are comfortable with Anurag ji? You will say, okay, sir, you will do such thing, I will do that thing, and we can do such thing in that manner. But robots are designed to perform some certain tasks, some design tasks, like a computer program. Okay, some addition program is there. What it will perform? Only the addition, no multiplication or no, because it is a predefined set of rules, basically in the form of computer programs. But in case of cobots, basically it will learn the behavior from the humans. It will learn the behavior from the humans, and according to your mood and planning and your need, automatically adjustment will be there. And it is basically art of artificial intelligence. And we will learn a lot of things inside the artificial intelligence part whenever I will take this AI portion. So robotics is replaced by the cobots. And you're in COVID-19 pandemic situation, basically lot of countries and India also use the best thing of this cobots. Okay, and so many times I have shared the videos in my Facebook, through my Facebook also, and WhatsApp group also. your learning group, WhatsApp group also, I have shared some videos, and especially in the Facebook also, that promotes the awareness about the cobots basically. Okay, and sooner than later, you will not believe me, your cobots will fight for their right. Okay, at present humans are asking for their right, but in nearby future your cobots will ask for the rights, just like a human rights in case of this one. But it is not a hypothetical. Sooner than later you will find this type of things will be there, and it may be possible. Okay, it may be possible, okay, there will be some social media platform in case of web 4.0 for the cobots or machines also. Oh, forget about this one. So after that, in 2015, your blockchain also comes into the existence. Okay, that changes the complete concept of this AI, internet of things, and the robotics. I will take this blockchain also whenever time will permit, because a lot of things are there that I want to deliver, but time, it depends upon the time. And after that, computer quantum computing also taking the shape, because we require a huge amount of computing, that we have seen the big data analysis part in case of IoT. And we are moving in the completely matured state of the technology. You can see the circular of this one, and the target is up to 2025. Okay, target is up to 2025, but please don't be rigid on this one, 2025 or 2030 or whatever it may be, because due to the pandemic situation, please add 5 or 10 years. Okay, at least 5 or 10 years. Exact data will come after this situation. These targets will be changed, okay, and decided about whenever the actual thing will be there. It will be in a post pandemic situation, so these things will be there, but target was around 2025. Okay, and it's all about the data. Important thing is it's all about the data. Is there any doubt up to this? Any doubt? Those who joined today, any doubt?
No, no, sir. So far, it was very good.
Okay,
Very
that
good.
I have already taken about this one. Pay TV subscriber and DTS subscriber example I have taken. What about the pay TV subscriber and DTS? These are the some figures. Okay, what about the pay TV and DTS subscribers? Why pay TV subscribers are decreasing and DTS subscribers, sorry, increasing, and DTS subscribers are decreasing? Neha, very quickly, can you say about this one?
Yes, sir. So basically, in today's world, nobody has a time, and everybody want the content of their choice at their own time. So that is why they are more interested in PTV rather than DTH services. And so the second part is there is uncensored data available in pay TV, and that's it.
The basic thing is personalization of service and uncensored data. It is very difficult to form some regulations over the internet content. Okay, it is just like a ocean. It is just like a ocean. You cannot measure the depth of the ocean. You cannot imagine how much powerful it will be there. Okay, so like that, pay TV subscriber basically deals with the internet, and DTH subscribers are the separate one. So days are not far. Okay, only pay TV subscriber will be there. Pay TV subscriber means just like a Netflix or Amazon. Netflix and Amazon, in case of post pandemic situation also, this will be a highly jump will be there in post or the pre or the during the pandemic situation also, a huge jump in the Netflix and Amazon subscribers. So the main reason is behind that, this personalization of service, and this one uncensored data. Two things are there, and for most importantly, they are using the best use of artificial intelligence. They have your data. Okay, they know what is your liking basically. Okay, you will find the association search basically. I will take this in the artificial intelligence part. Okay, how they capture your search. They have your entire data, but how to extract the information, okay, which movie Neha will like, which movie Anuragji will not like, or Minakshi liking is which song, or maybe not which one. These things are there. It is a technology part basically. So we will find it, they basically pay TV subscribers or pay TV companies basically uses the best use of this artificial intelligence and the big data analysis part. Have you got this point clear? Any doubt?
Okay.
And
No,
Since
no.
repeatedly I'm saying we are moving from that, we are moving towards the data-driven economy. That is the IoT, penetrating the possibilities of data-driven economy. Neha ji, can you explore a little bit about this one in a 1 or 2 line? How IoT penetrating the data-driven economy?
Yes, sir. Sir, through IoT, we will be using we will be using end devices with the sensors and all those things, which will be communicating to the network. So they will be producing a lot of data called the big data. So ultimately, the data would be the important thing. The data would be the thing which will add value to the economy. So
Yes.
that is why IoT will increase the possibilities in data-driven economy, because every industry and every country would be driven by the data produced through IoT, and using the artificial intelligence, how to use that data to drive the economy. That would be the future of economy of a country.
Yes, very nicely you have explained about